Welcome to We Sometimes RV with Scott and Joy. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day. Join us as we take a walking tour through Juneau, Alaska. Our tour actually starts right outside the Red Dog Saloon, a place where Wyatt Earp had a drink, left his gun, which they don't understand why, but which is still housed at the Red Dog. We're going to start taking our walk down Franklin Street. The white building on the right with the blue trim is the Filipino Hall at 251 South Franklin. It was built in 1891. It's the site of Anna Goldstein's merchandise store. We come on down and we get to the Front Street Clock, which weighs 3,000 pounds. And the Imperial Saloon opened in 1891. The Tinglet, Haida, and Jashim is at the Alaska Heritage Institute. Down here on the right, the red brick building is called the Silver Bow Inn, and it was opened by a man named Messerschmitt in 1898 as a bakery. It's currently also a hotel, and supposedly his ghost gets up every morning, early in the morning, looking for fresh baked bread. Russians were the first to settle in Alaska and called it Russia American. Then, in March of 1867, Russia sold Russian America to the United States for $7.2 million. And then on October 18th, the U.S. flag was first flown in Alaska. and is known as Alaska Day. The name Alaska comes from the native word Alaska, meaning mainland. On January 3rd, 1959, Alaska became the 49th state. This bear statue up here is known as the Windfall Fisherman, created in 1984 by Skip Wallen on the 25th anniversary of Alaska's statehood. It's made from recycled power lines. As you could possibly tell, it was raining during our tour, and we forgot our ponchos. See that totem pole on the left-hand side, and that yellow building? The totem poles tell stories of different clans. The yellow building behind the totem pole is the Juneau The City Museum. On July 4th, 1959, the 49-star flag was flown here for the first time and is still here.
Might have to bring our ponchos.
This is the bell, a copy of the Liberty Bell, but you can't ring it anymore because they took the clapper out in 98 because too many people were ringing the bell. Juneau is the only U.S. capital that is not accessible by road. You can only get there by ferry, boat, or plane. It also has one of the longest days of the year. On June 21st, which we just missed when we went on our tour, which was on June 27th, it has 18 hours and 18 minutes of daylight. December 6th, on the other hand, is the shortest day of the year, and Juneau only gets 6 hours and 22 minutes of sunlight. The reason I'm narrating this is because our walking tour we were listening to in our earbuds. So this is the only way you can understand what we're looking at and what's going on. The blue and white building with the gold dome on the top happens to be the St. Nicholas Russian Orthodox Church. It was built in 1893.
These are beautiful.
Joy loves stopping to look at flowers, and they had some beautiful flowers all around town. If you look over on the left-hand side at the tree line, that's where the Perseverance Trail, which takes you to the old Gold Creek, is located. This is where Joe Juneau, the town is named after him, found his gold. Juneau's a wonderful place and an interesting city. If you have a chance, go take a look, visit. Juneau is awesome. Also, if you want to, take a ride on the tram with us. Here we go, up the mountain.
The aerial tramway here in southeast Alaska. Gold Bell Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Bell Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built on August 10, 1996. We will be passing through an Alaska temperate rainforest, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red alder. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Shiatakapa. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp pines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar looking trees with the droopy top. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. Its uses include smoking salmon.
Yeah, that's about
After the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored.
We're going fast.
As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gift. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work. Or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety of other Juneau mementos. The Timberline Bar and Grill overlooks a beautiful view of the Gastineau Channel and the Inside Passage. You can enjoy tasty Alaska seafood featuring halibut and crab, as well as a large variety of beverages. Next to the restaurant, we have the Chilkat Theater with a complimentary film called Seeing Daylight. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in southeast Alaska, and it features many local natives. It plays at the top and the bottom of the hour. It runs about 18 minutes. We have a tram car running every 5 to 10 minutes, so if you end up missing one, don't worry. It's a short wait. Once we reach the top, we will be unloading onto the Sky Bridge. The Sky Bridge has windows all the way around for you to enjoy the beautiful view. All that we ask is that you please don't put any of your valuable items outside of those windows.
A little better view.
So it's kind of clearing up right there.
But we're gonna go into a cloud on the way there. That's pretty cool.
You can see that way too.
Yeah, I would take a few pictures now because I don't know when you get any better to get down there.
Going into the
I know. It's crazy.
The one cruise ship there disappearing.
Yes, it looks like a scene from Jurassic Park when you go in.
Yeah.
You can't see.
Yes, I hear it. Looks like it's bottomless or something. I think there's no bottom because you can't see bottom.
Oh, well, okay.
There we go.
You're buying. Just go to the bar. Just go to the bar. Yeah, we had a beer and some watching.
Worse down here than it is up there.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it's clearer up there.
That's great.
There's ships in the parking lot. Oh, it says it's
What's that?
I can't see it now, so I can see it now.
Oh, there you go.
Down there.
oh, maybe six in the port there.
Well, that sign said there were gonna be 6 in port today.
No wonder you can't get it anymore.
Yeah. That would be kind of an interesting into that Tracy's description.
No, I'm sure. You actually cook it or you buy stuff.
All right, everybody, when we come to a complete stop on the next side of these two doors here in front of me, so please stay clear of those doors and you open them automatically. And just as a reminder, your tram tickets are good for the rest of the day. So if you want to come back, please do so. Otherwise, thank you all for visiting today. And
Quick line.
Yeah, that's all.
you got the backpack
Yes, it is.
on your side.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified next time we have videos coming out. Leave your comments below and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.